Hi, I'm Dr. Kim Henry from PetCare Veterinary Hospital, PetCare East on Mendocino Avenue. We do a lot of emergency work, and I'm speaking today about the problem with emergency in Sonoma County, at least. It's probably nationwide as well, but over the last few years, we've noticed a huge increase in emergency cases. We've grown on staff. Now PetCare probably has about 14 emergency doctors. So we've had to add more as time has gone on because our load is very high. Why the load is high is probably a combination of a lot of people getting pets, which is great, but also not being able to get care for those pets in situations that require something urgent or a true blue emergency. So emergency teams in Sonoma County as well as the country are trying to take on loads of true emergencies, urgent care that cannot get into their general practitioners, as well as follow-up care on patients that really have nowhere to go. For example, if there's a wound that needs follow-up care, if the general practitioner can't see it, then the emergency team tries to take that in. If an eye needs to be rechecked, we try to take that in. So we're getting a huge load, and we are doing the best we can, but there's a lot of factors in what we can actually do in a day, and that comes down to not only veterinary staff, but technical staff. And it also comes down to the nature of emergencies. If we get a really critical case like a heat stroke, that might pull a doctor for an hour or two, and then everything gets bumped and has to wait. If we have a very difficult patient, that also could bump everyone down because it takes more time. So there's a lot of things that go into our day and what we can actually take on. We at PetCare, we are running from the minute we get to work to try to see as much as we can and help the community as much as we can. And we completely understand, like, it's frustrating, wait times are frustrating, having things change in a day is frustrating. We just ask, and I'm sure other emergency clinics ask, for your patience and kindness. We are trying to help, and the summer has really escalated, as it usually does, because people are outside more with their pets.